How to fix Roblox game client has stopped working. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Roblox game client has stopped working. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to fix this, the first thing you need to do is to restart your computer. So after you start your computer, what you need to do next is to click on this search icon right here and then search for Roblox. So just search for Roblox right here. And then from there, click on open file location, and then just right click on Roblox player, and then click on properties, and you will see your properties right here. So what you need to do is just click on this compatibility window, and you can see in here that you can run the compatibility troubleshooter. So that specific error occurred because Roblox is no longer supported in Windows 7. So what you need to do is to just click on this run this program in compatibility mode for either Windows 8 or the latest Windows that is available to you. You can also run as Windows 10 if you have that specific option. But for this, I will choose Windows 8. Then after that, I can just click this disable full screen optimization so it won't optimize my Roblox. Then after that, you can also run this program as an administrator. Then click on apply after that, and then click on OK in order to save your progress. So if that still doesn't fix your issue, what you need to do is to just head over and click this search icon right here and search for device manager. So click on open right here, and this will open the device manager, and you can see in here your device manager. So what you need to click on is this display adapters. So just expand that. You can see here your graphics. So just right click on that and click on update driver in order to update your driver or of your graphics. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Roblox game client to stop working. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.